Good morning. My name is Don Martin, and I am with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website and it is a blog. It is a resource of self help for new first time for sale by owners or newer for sale by owners. Although there's old for sale by owners that benefit from it too. So anyway, check it out when you get a chance. TheReasonableRealtor.com. I've been doing this for about 36 years. Now the MLS flat fee type listing is more acceptable than it used to be. It was an uphill battle in the beginning. Many years ago, but it is quite acceptable at this time. In fact, it's so acceptable there are lots of people doing it. You'll find that there are competitive prices, even more so now. That's why we are offering an entry point at $99, less than $100 to get your house into the MLS. The difference, if you'll go look at there's three or four different price points for plans. The differences in those prices are the differences in the work that is involved on my part. If you look at them, you'll see that it goes from $99 up to a couple of $100. So not a big difference, but there are a couple of choices that you have to make, which dovetails better with the way you want to market your house. Um, national sites National sites are great. They have to sublet their actual work down back to the state where your property is because property is, and in fact, MLSs are on local bases. In our state, we have, gosh, I guess 8 or 9 different MLS systems, geographically different one from the other. You'll also, if you're Googling, if you're looking at Yahoo or Bing as a search engine for a flat fee MLS, you'll probably see some ads, some advertised sites. Those ads are pricey. If you see one of those, you'll see that it gets a very good place on your first page of your search engine. But do know that they're paying a lot of money to be there to catch your eyes first. So sometimes that's not the highest and best use of your money to help pay for their advertising. At any rate, just a quick intro. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com/services to get to the point where you can list your house. You could go to mlsdon.com. I am Don. I'm Don Martin. I'm the broker, and I'm the one that gets to do your listing. What you'll see is a red square over here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and hit that red square and subscribe to this video channel. I would appreciate that. If you've got some questions or comments, please note them down below here. I promise I will answer them just as quickly as I can. I thank you for your time.